Alright guys, so today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my Wissent CD player. One of the things that I already liked off the top was it kind of has like that like old school vibe on it. So let's see what it looks like. We'll get it set up and see how it sounds. Before I take it out, you get your user manual and a quick setup guide. Auxiliary, power cable, and a remote for it. Put this in here. Wow, it's really nice. Look how cool that looks. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up, maybe pop a CD in there. It's also got USB, so if you have any music on USB, we can do so there as well. And it also has radio and obviously your auxiliary right here. So let's go ahead and get it set up just to see how it sounds. All right, got it all hooked up. It's real simple, just plug and play, and it's got an on button in the back. I got the remote set up with it as well, so I just kind of want to go over all the features that it comes with. So to start, like I said, it does have a CD player, so you literally just push here and you can insert your CD here and you're good to go. Seal that back up. And then here's some cool features that I found. So like I said, it does come with FM radio on it, so check this out. Like, the quality is really good. And you can also lower it right here. And then the other cool thing is, like, it has different options on the remote. So if you're listening to rock, jazz, anything like that, you could literally just hit it and it'll change the way the sound is coming out. So that's pretty cool. And then I'll go ahead and hit function just directly on here so you can see all the buttons are good to go. So right there, disc. So I don't have a disc in there at the moment. If you have music on a USB, literally just plug it in here. And then the auxiliary, like I said, they gave you the auxiliary cord, so if you want to hook up anything directly. And then this one was my favorite, is it also comes with the Bluetooth. So I want you to see how this sounds. So I'm gonna play it right off of YouTube. So as you can see, it actually has really, really good sound. It gets pretty loud if you wanted to do so, or you could just keep it kind of like somewhere normal. But honestly, if you're looking for an all-around radio that does USB, CD, Bluetooth, radio, like does it all right, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.